Dogecoin continues to play out its inverse cup and handle pattern, and the question on everyone's mind, especially mine right now, is where could Dogecoin be heading next? There's a couple options we need to explore in this video, and with that, let's get started. Before we start the actual analysis though, I want to let you know there is a brand new future forecast video out. This is members only content that'll teach you based on historical data how high this bull run could get before we crash back down. This is really important information. Again, it's members only content, and if you want to access it, you can join our membership at the links in the description. But for now, I want to jump straight into the analysis. Heading down here to Dogecoin, we're going to start out with the emotional index, and like most coins on our charts right now, we are seeing a neutral reading, and we're sitting much closer to the anxious area. The closer we get to anxious, and especially if we break into anxious, it makes it more likely to see moves back up in the market. At this time on the long versus short trade chart, we're seeing that long trades are well above short trades. However, long trades have evened off and they're not really moving one way or the other. If we see a drop in this, it'll likely see a move down in the price. If we see a move up in long trades, it'll likely correlate to a move up in the price. The next step in our journey is the Dogecoin Whale Smart Money metric, and as of right now, we are seeing orange bars continuing to push towards short trade sentiment. However, it's not until we reach a metric value of -800 that we're really expecting moves down to happen. So be on the lookout for that here. Be on the lookout for really big orange bars here surpassing -800, because if we see that, oh boy, it's going to head down pretty quick. Next up is the Dogecoin volatility breakout detector. And on this chart, we are seeing a super low volatility reading. And this is really exciting because most of the time when we see low volatility readings, this is when we're getting the crazy moves in the market. So as we're sitting in low volatility here, pressure is building, guys. Pressure is building up, and it could cause either a big move up or a big move down here. This metric won't tell you the direction, but it'll show you how fast we're about to head. And as of right now, it's looking pretty explosive. Here on the Dogecoin major support and resistance chart, we are actively testing structure resistance at 7.889 cents and currently have a structure support at 6.253 cents. These are the two areas that we need to be paying attention to at this point. Last but not least is the daily trade scanner, and what I want everyone to pay attention to is the fact that we have a sell signal right here. This saw a tiny move down, but as of right now, this handle right here has continued diagonally, and what this tells me is as we retest this line right here, there could be yet another sell signal at this point, which would signal a move down. So you're going to want to stay updated on this metric especially. Now, if you do want to take a look at all of these metrics, they're updated on a daily basis. If you want to get access to those future forecast videos that I just talked about, if you want to see our trade setups where we are now 10 wins, 0 losses, you can get access to our membership at the links in the description. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the first link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the membership page. I personally highly recommend the full access for $59 a month. This includes those scalping trades and metrics across all 20 coins on our website with many, many more benefits for our members. So if you want to get access, be sure to subscribe now. Go ahead and click that link, follow the prompts, and we'll trade with you soon. Now let's talk about this cup and handle pattern on the one-day time frame for Dogecoin. Right now we got that structure resistance that we are actively testing at 7.693 cents. If we break above this, I don't think it's going to move much higher, to be honest, probably somewhere right in this range. This general range right here is going to be the total structure resistance, anywhere between 7.693 and 7.880 cents. This is really strong structure resistance, though. We have tons and tons and tons and tons of touches here. Because of this, it's going to be very difficult to break, and we'll need a catalyst like Bitcoin and Ethereum pumping like crazy in order to actually see a break above this. And because of that, I feel it's very unlikely. If you saw my previous video today, you'll know Ethereum is looking more bearish at this point. We should also know we've pretty much peaked on these indicators. Price versus while money flow is showing a previous high with a continuous move downward. Trend exhaustion is showing the same, a near top into the top red section with a move back down as well, showing there is bearish momentum in the market right now. There's plenty of room for both the price versus while money flow and the trend exhaustion to continue moving down. Because of this, if we are rejected at the structure resistance, I think it's very likely we could actually finally break down outside of this cup and handle pattern. And if we manage to do that, and I think we will based on what the rest of the crypto market is showing, I'm personally going to be looking for Dogecoin to drop anywhere down here between 6.284 cents and 6.551 cents. From the current price, this will account for about a 14% drop, or as much as nearly a 20%, right about here, 18% drop. And based on how long this handle was right here, starting at the bottom, moving to the very last candle we're currently on, I think this could take about 2 to 3 weeks. This says 21 days, so that puts us at right about 3 weeks. This is going to be crazy, so I want everyone to buckle up. I want everyone to be grabbing these indicators so they can keep up. And right now you can get them for up to $400 off right now at the links in the description. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and it'll be that second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page where you can find both the TC top and bottom finder and the bundle pack. In order to get the best possible deal, you're going to want to grab the bundle pack first, and this will include the trend exhaustion and price versus one money flow you just saw me use, as well as 7 other amazing indicators. And on top of this, you'll get a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. The combination of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators using that $400 off coupon is actually cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment, and you get full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.